Commission, Madlanga Commission, great news coming in. As of today, the 9th of July, there's some great news coming in confirming the extension of the Madlanga Commission to run up until the 16th of November. So, as you all know, the Madlanga Commission was supposed to submit their last report on the 31st of August, but now they've been granted enough time to conclude their report. So basically they will submit their last report in mid-November, which is on the 16th of November. It has been confirmed by the president. Let me read it for you, the statement from the president confirming the extension of the Madlanga Commission. It reads as follows: President Ramaphosa grants extension of Madlanga Commission report deadline. President Ramaphosa has extended the final report deadline of the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry into criminality, political interference, and corruption in the criminal justice system. The commission will submit its report on Monday, 16 November 2026, instead of 31st August, as anticipated originally. The extension granted by the president set an evidence deadline of Friday, 2nd October 2026, and a report deadline of Monday, 16 November, to enable the commission to close off topics it has opened up in the course of hearing to a deadline. The extension allows the commission to hear evidence on all of the matters listed in its term of reference. Without an extension, the commission will have to leave large parts of its work unfinished. That is the statement coming from the presidency confirming the extension of the Madlanga Commission. So it says awuqhubakela movie la series siyibona pha Madlanga Commission, because pha kulapho yenzeka khona i-series, yenzeka khona i-movie yamapolisa, SAPS, no-IDEC, ne-municipalities, more especially pha kwi-Ekurhuleni municipality.